My 2-minute conviction today is leaders, we want to be successful so that we can be significant. Success is a means to an end. It is not the prize itself. There is so much written and spoken about this word success. It's popular in our culture. It's about being the biggest, being the best, being the fastest, being the most popular, becoming the richest. It's this pursuit of an elusive goal. I mean, the cliche story is that we can pursue a life of success, which is like climbing that colloquial ladder, and we get to the proverbial top rung, and we look around and we realize, my gosh, our ladder has been leaning against the wrong wall. Sometimes success is empty. It doesn't hold all the promise that we hoped it would. We achieve things and then we only are rewarded by new challenges to hopefully achieve more to stay with this feeling of success. But what about if we redefined success? That success wasn't about so much what you did or what you achieved or how people perceived you, but success was more about the positive impact we can have in the lives of others. This idea of significance, about making a difference. You know, with the concept halftime, which I've been around now for many, many years, it talks about success as a means to significance. It talks about get clear on what your purpose and your calling is. It talks about get free of all the limitations and the barriers that are holding you from living your potential. And then it's get going about having that significant impact in the life of others. As leaders, my 2-minute conviction is success is a means to significance. Don't apologize for your success, but don't stay there. Look to have impact, positive influence in the world around you. Have a great week as you redefine what you think success is all about.